Here is a One State RP review. One State RP Live Simulator is accessible to any downloading website that you are going to search or prefer. So let's say, for example, you prefer downloading it on Softonic. You can go ahead and download it in any convenience that you have. One State RP Live Simulator is a free simulation game. So if you are comparing it to GTA, One State RP is a free application where you can go ahead and jump into reality. It is exceptional playability. There are no limitation to the rules, and you can play in this game with police officers, gangsters, race cars, or whatever you want. Now, for you to be able to imagine the real picture of what One State RP means, so these are what it looks like when you have already the game or when you have already downloaded the game to the device that you have. So it is very colorful, it is very man-like, the animation is also cool. So if you are into games where it comes to reality, One State RP is good.